Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions on how I did a DIY project on replacing a glass sliding door locking mechanism. If the lock is broken and needs to be replaced, this is what I did. I unscrewed the old lock mechanism from the sliding glass door. Only 2 Phillips screws and it comes off extremely easy. Attaching the new lock assembly, it fits together like a charm. No joke, I think it takes me longer to tie my shoestrings than to complete this project. Once connected, all that remains is to make sure that it closes securely, verifying that it locks and unlocks correctly. What an easy do-it-yourself project that saved me over $230. Ole ole! If you like this content, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more do-it-yourself projects. Good luck on your replacement.